Let's see if I'm going live here. Um, Nothing yet. Does it say I'm live? Let's see. I'm not showing up. Oh, there I am. Hi. Let's see if I'm going live. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And I'm going to see if I'm also on my group. Say hello if you're hopping on. I'm actually on my personal page, and yep, I'm in the group. I'm in both. So I'm using a software product called Melon, Melon. You can go live in multiple places all at once without an upgrade like you do with StreamYard. So this is great. So we decided that I would go live on my personal page and the group this time just to reach more people. So excuse the background. In the process of moving, we move a week from tomorrow. So I'm just putting some blue tape on drawers so I know that they're empty, so I don't keep opening up drawers looking to make sure everything is packed. So today I wanted to talk about how to make money from your lead magnet easily, right? Um, and a lead, for me, the lead magnet is, is a free resource that you're giving away something for free to your ideal clients that they want to get their hands on. And it's something to solve a problem, give them a mini win in the early stages of their journey, right? So, there's a journey, right, from A to B, right? That current state of where they are to where they want to be. So, what are some resources they would want to help them on the journey, right? That's your lead magnet, right? It could be a check sheet, checklist, a workbook, a worksheet, a guide, an ebook. I mean, there's so many things that it could be. There's just an abundance of different things, a planner, a template. It could be audio, videos, it could be multiple things. Anyway, so the first place where you should put in the lead, so you want to sell something else. So what could you provide that is congruent or complements your lead magnet, your free resource that you could charge under $27? What is it? Create something that you can sell. And then what you want to do in the body of your lead magnet, which is usually something written, you want to smack in the middle of the lead magnet as you're going through describing your lead magnet and giving the information. You want to create a little section within that document introducing the new product, the new program, the new course, the new template, the new, whatever it is that you are selling under $27. Actually, it could be anything under $50, really. You want something that is a quick no-brainer. Yeah, I want to get my hands on that. Okay. So for instance, I'm just looking at here, a lead magnet I have. I have my customer avatar worksheet, and I have other ones, Facebook planners and tracking worksheets. And right in the middle, there is a section. Let me just turn off the alarm clock here. Let's turn off the snooze. A little section where I am promoting a $7 guide. Okay. And it's my 60 plus content ideas and guidelines for Facebook posts. $7 right there. So if someone is reading my free resource online, there's a little hyperlink clickable. They click right there. They go to a sales page, just a simple sales page with a checkout form on it, where they enter their their contact information and their payment, right, with a credit card, and immediately they are uploaded to my autoresponder email for that list. And the first email that goes out is the delivery of that product. Simple, simple. You should all be thinking about this. What could you sell that is complementary to your lead magnet, your free resource that you could sell for under $50? The, $7, $17, $27. I like those price points better, because you will make thousands of dollars as people download that book. When they see what they're getting from you, the upsell is like a no-brainer, and they click and they spend $7, $17 is a no-brainer. They want more from you. Okay. And this is a great way to show your credibility. You're an authority in your field and you're making money at the same time as you're getting ready to promote maybe a signature offer or a course or something else. Okay. So that's the first way. Bury something in your lead magnet document. Okay. Not only did I have it in the middle of the document so it stands out, but I also have it at the end as a PS line. The PS line, where I'm just saying, you have a signature line at the end of my document, and the PS line is, to get your copy of XYZ, click here. Okay. So I have it in 2 spots on my lead magnet. The other way you can do this is you can, when somebody goes to your opt-in page, because they want your lead magnet, your free resource, and they put in their name and their email, right? And they click submit. Instead of a blank thank you page or just a thank you page that says check your email for the product, the lead magnet, you could do an upsell on that thank you page. So you convert the thank you page into a sales page. Okay. And the best way to do this is to do like a video of yourself. Okay. It's called a video sales letter or, video where you are, hey, thanks for downloading XYZ, or great that you downloaded XYZ, that you're getting that. If you want something to complement that product or that guide or that template or that whatever it is, I recommend that you get XYZ below. And then you put the link right there on the thank you page that will also bring them to a checkout page where they check out, provide their payment information, and they go into your list to get the the upsell offer. So that's another way. So you want to do both. You want to do both, because if you are providing it originally right from the get-go, maybe they don't take the offer at the time that you put it on the thank you page, because it's immediate, and they're like, wait, I want to see what she's got first. I want to see what she got. That's why it's great to embed it into the product of your lead magnet if it's a document, and put the link there to the sales page. You can do it to the exact same sales page that you create on something like ClickFunnels, and have them go in that direction. The idea is take the opportunity to upsell someone to a low price offer of yours. Okay. You will make a lot of money this way. Okay. This is a great way to get more exposure, so people see what you have to offer. They see that you're credible, you're an authority in your field, you're an expert in your field, and you are making money from providing them something, but at a low price point. Okay. So that's really what I've got here today. Let's see what's going on, if I can see what's happening, who's on here. Hi, if you're just hopping on, say hi. I hope you can hear me in the group. And let me just jump over to the Facebook page and see if anyone's on there on the profile page. And yeah, I thought I'd go live on the profile page. Oh, hi. Hi, Munchies. Mirror Munchies. Hi. Okay. So if you're just getting started, I would definitely recommend this. Or if you already have a lead magnet, why not go back and insert think of a product, something you can offer and I say product, but it's what are you selling? So is it a guide? Is it a planner? Planners are hot right now. People want planners done for you, kind of templates. Hand them over so I can fill them out, make my life easier. People like things that make their life easier. It's faster to get a result, more convenient for people. So, meal planning planners are great. Those are things you can sell at a low price point, and people will not even think twice to pay $7 for it or $17 for it. Okay. And as you get people downloading your free lead magnet, you will get more and more people buying your upsell. It's called an upsell because you're upselling to the freebie. Okay. All right. If you have any questions about this, message me over in the DMs. Happy to talk to you about it. Happy to discuss what's a great lead magnet upsell for your business as well. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, you guys, I got to get going and pat the last few boxes. All right, bye.